My name is Austin Kuria. I'm a final year student at Kirinyaga University, currently pursuing software engineering. Throughout my studies, I've developed a passion for full stack development, focusing on both front-end and back-end technologies. I've always been eager to learn and add more skills so that I can apply them in real-world applications or projects. This led me to join Sankiana Consultancy so that I can develop my skills further. I joined Sankiana on 11th May 2024, opting for a full stack Python development course. This course was excellent for me as it helped me to bridge the gap between what I learned in class and the practical and real-world applications needed in the industry. I was fortunate to receive the Platinum Scholarship, which covered 90% of my course fees, making it highly affordable for me to pursue this valuable learning opportunity. This course ran from 11th May 2024 to around 14th September 2024, which is around 18 weeks or approximately 4 months. During this period, I gained in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience in technologies such as Python, Django, React, and many more. The course duration was perfect for deepening my understanding of the full stack development. One of the highlights of the course was the interactive project review, where we reviewed with our fellow cohort members and also the trainer. This helped us to get feedback from each and every one of us, which helped us to refine our work and develop a better understanding of how to develop real-world scenario applications. It helped me to gain practical ways and also I found it incredibly valuable. The training materials provided by the trainer were well organized and easy to follow, which made it convenient to review the topics at my own pace. The trainer was not just knowledgeable but also approachable, always willing to help with questions, challenges, one-on-one counseling, and also continuous guidance, which made a significant difference in my learning journey. Would I recommend this course to anyone? Absolutely. The course offers a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience with hands-on guidance from